Hi there, welcome back to Central Florida Homes and Insights. I'm Rebecca Guy.
And I'm Brandon Cook. Today we're answering one of the biggest questions people are asking in 2025. Are home prices in Florida actually dropping?
And the short answer is, yes they are. In many areas across Florida, home prices are falling. And we're going to break down exactly what's happening, why it's happening, and what you should do about it if you're planning to buy or sell this year.
Stick around until the end because we'll share our take on where the Florida market is headed next and how to prepare.
Inventory is up, demand is down. Let's start with one of the biggest shifts in the market, inventory. Homes are sitting on the market longer than they were just a year or two ago.
With more homes available and fewer buyers making offers, sellers are starting to lower their prices to stay competitive.
It's basic supply and demand. When there's more supply than there is demand, prices have to adjust. That's exactly what we're seeing.
Yes, prices are dropping in many Florida markets. Some areas are seeing a double-digit price drop. For example, North Miami Beach recently saw a 25% decrease in home prices. Naples saw a 2.7% drop. And other areas across Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Palm Beach counties are softening, especially with some population loss.
Even though Central Florida hasn't seen dramatic double-digit drops yet, prices have stabilized or come down from their 2022 peaks. So if you're a buyer, you're likely going to get more negotiating power than you did before.
Why prices are falling? So there are several reasons behind the price declines.
First, mortgage rates. Higher interest rates are making it harder for buyers to afford monthly payments, which reduces demand.
Second, insurance costs. Florida has some of the highest property insurance premiums in the country, and they've gone up again, especially in areas prone to hurricanes.
Third, migration is slowing down. We're not seeing the same surge of out-of-state buyers that we saw in 2021 and 2022.
And finally, hurricane risk. After some intense storms and rising insurance costs, some buyers are hesitant to purchase in vulnerable coastal areas.
What does this mean for buyers? If you've been sitting on the sidelines, now could be a great time to get into the market without competing in bidding wars and overpaying.
With more inventory, you can shop around, negotiate, and even ask for seller concessions again. Just make sure you're pre-approved and working with an agent who knows the local market.
What does this mean for sellers? Sellers, this isn't 2021 anymore. If you want your home to move, you'll need to be realistic with pricing, make sure it shows well, and understand the current mindset of buyers.
But the good news is, you're likely to still be sitting on a lot of equity if you own your home for a few years. You just need the right strategy to get it sold in today's market.
So what's the market outlook for 2025? Some experts think that we may be nearing a bottom, especially in high demand areas where pricing has already corrected.
Others think prices could fall further, especially if inventory keeps climbing and affordability doesn't improve.
And what's our take? Well, it depends on the location. Some areas are softening, others are stabilizing. The key is to stay informed, act based on your goals and not the headlines.
If you're thinking about buying or selling in Central Florida, let's talk. We'll help you make the right move in today's market.
And don't forget to drop your questions in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to Central Florida Homes and Insights for weekly market updates and expert advice.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.